Now, good morning, students. In this video, we will discuss this question where percentage and grade is given. So, we have to write an algorithm and draw a flow chart to input your marks obtained in 5 subjects in an examination and find the total marks, percentage, and grade. Grade is allotted based on the percentage given below. So if you are having the percentage that is 40, below 40, then it will be C grade. And if the percentage is equals to 40 and above but less than 80, then it is B grade. That is 40 to 79. That is B grade. And if it is equals to 80 and above, then it will be A grade. Means from 80 to 100 it is A, and from 40 to 79 it is grade B, and below 40 is grade C. So this is the practical question which we require in our daily life. As you can see, this is the grading system demo. So we need to do that. So first of all, the algorithm. Step 1, start. Step 2, read marks. That is 5 subjects marks. So A, B, C, D, E. Then step 3 is total scored marks which the students has got, or if it is your number, so you have scored. So that is sum of 5 marks. So it is A plus, B plus, C plus, D plus, E. Now we need to find out percentage. So percentage is equals to total scored marks divided by total subjects full marks. So whatever is the total subjects full marks, like if it is 100 marks exam, so it will be 500, and if you have scored 400, so 400 by 500 and then into 100, but don't give here the sign of percentage as we are doing in maths. Here percentage means it will be something else. So we will have to remember always that we don't have to use here the sign. And then after that percentage, if percentage is greater than 80 and if it is equals to 80, then it has to display A, means A grade. And similarly, if percentage is less than 80 and percentage is equals to and greater than 40, means if the percentage is less than 80 and the percentage is greater than and equals to 40, means the range is 40 to 79. If percentage is equals to 40 to 79, so you have to understand that 40 to 79 is the range, and here it is 80 and above. 80 and above, if 80 and above anybody is scoring, then it will display A. If 40 to 79 marks anybody has brought, then it will be, through that score it should be display B. And if percentage is less than 40, then it should display C. And after that program, that algorithm will stop. So now we'll see the flowchart for the same program. So start, we have to read the 5 subjects. So we have taken here the input box. Then we need the process to calculate the total. So total is in the processing box. Similarly, percentage is equals to total by full marks of the 5 subjects. And then into it is 100. So now it will check the decision. The value is there in percentage. So if percentage is equals to 80 and if percentage is greater than 80, if it is yes, then it will display A. Means the range is here 80 and above. If the percentage is 80 and above, then it will display A. If it is no, then it will check again for the next decision, the next conditional box, that is if percentage is less than 80, means if percentage is less than 80 means the range is 79, and if percentage is greater than equals to 40 means here the range is 40 to 79. If the percentage is 40 to 79, then if it is yes, then it will display B grade, and if the condition says that no, then it will display C, because if it is not equals to 40 and if it is greater than 40, then it is B, and if it is less than 40, then below 40 is having the C grade, so it will display C. Now for the third, you don't have to write that percentage is less than 40, you don't have to write, because if it is no, then it means it is below 40. So if it is below 40, then it will display C. And after displaying all the, if it is display A, if the condition is says yes it is, so it will display A, and after that it will stop. Similarly, after displaying B, if it is showing, then it will also stop. And after C, displaying C, if it is there, condition is there and it is displaying C, then also it will stop. So this is the flowchart.